Anesthesia and Respiratory Devices Market In-Depth Analysis 2022, Future Scope and Outlook 2027 by types, by application, by regions, and by key players. Anesthesia and Respiratory Devices Market Overview. The global anesthesia and breathing devices market is predictable to reach $61.46 billion in 2020. The growing occurrence of hyperventilation disorders and anesthesia-related emergency surgeries are driving the growth of the market. The global anesthesia and respiratory devices market is expected to witness reasonable growth in the coming 5 years. Breathing plans account for the largest share in this market, primarily due to their wide usage among the 3 customer segments as associated to anesthesia devices, which have limited usage among the end users. Medical travel and rising healthcare spending in emerging economies deliver development occasions for the anesthesia plans, as new healthcare amenities come up in these regions. On the other hand, rising incidence of respiratory diseases such as prominent sleep apnea, OSA, and chronic uncooperative pulmonic diseases, COPD, along with aging populace are amongst the major factors swaying market growth for breathing devices. Compound annual growth rate. Acknowledging the kind of traction gained by this market, recently published a study report by IndustryDataAnalytics asserts the anesthesia and respiratory devices market size is projected to accrue voluminously by 2027, registering a phenomenal CAGR of 10.35% during the review period, 2022 to 2027. Prime players SunMed, Smiths Group plc, ResMed, Masimo, Koenig Philips. Segmentation type anesthesia devices, respiratory devices, end-user hospitals, clinics, home care settings, ambulatory surgical centers. Key highlights. This report involves a thorough measurable analysis of the current trends from 2022 to 2023 of the anesthesia and respiratory devices market to identify the prevailing chances. Market approximations are based on comprehensive analysis of the key developments in the industry. The global market is lengthily analyzed with respect to product, end user, and region. In-depth analysis based on geography helps in understanding the regional market to assist in strategic business planning. The growth plans accepted by key builders are enlisted to understand the modest scenario of the market. Thank you. Contact us www.IndustryDataAnalytics.com. Contact @IndustryDataAnalytics.com +1 704 266 3234.